There's actually, what I'm also using in here are two CSS scripts. There's a main.css and a mobile.css. So they both get loaded, but what I'm doing is, if it is a mobile, you can see it. I load the main CSS, excuse me, and then if it is a mobile browser, I bring in the mobile CSS as well. And what that does is, in some cases, it overwrites what the actual main.css does, and also it gives a little more preferences to some of the CSS that I'm doing on the site. Just in passing, I noticed there's a little icon on their site. If you look up in the URL, this little guy all the way up on the top here, you'll notice that to get that icon in, what you have to do is create an icon, a .ico file, and call it favicon.ico, and put that in your main directory. The browser will actually look for that and put that little icon up there. How this page is actually working, I use some classes. I do a lot of includes. I include, in this case, head. And here's a little sly trick I did too. If it's mobile, what it'll actually do is now go out and not go for head.php, but it will go to head_mobile.php. So I have a special head for my mobile, and that's what you see there. Between this site, its head up here, to, let's adjust the head on the mobile device. Now as I move down here, for the front page, I'm starting with the home.txt in the content folder. I made a separate folder for this user to easily update the pages with minimal HTML coding as possible. In here, the one interesting thing I did, that page, the get that it's being done, it tells it what text file it should use in the content folder. So you see that right here. Right now it's telling it to go to the specials page. And that's how I update that center frame right here.